Ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to transform your kitchen experience. This incredible 9-in-1 multi-cooker combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, and more into one sleek appliance. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still making gourmet meals effortlessly. It's truly a kitchen essential for busy families. With 15 customizable smart programs, from poultry to soup, you just set it and forget it. Perfect for any recipe. No more guessing game. Get perfectly cooked results every single time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef. And the durable stainless steel inner pot? It ensures healthier meals, even heating, and super easy cleanup. What truly makes the Duo Plus special is its advanced safety features and quick release button, making pressure cooking totally stress-free. If you're looking for the best Instant Pot model or want to upgrade your kitchen, check out the link in the description for the latest price on Amazon. This isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's an investment in quicker, healthier, and more delicious home-cooked meals. For anyone serious about efficient cooking in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have.